It's recorded.
Okay, the World Cup first match of the World Cup just finished. South Africa versus who was it? Mexico again. It turned out 1-1. Pretty good game for their first game of the World Cup. Right now, I'm just testing some out on Vegas and trying to speed up my PC with Game Booster. So yeah. See you later. Bye. The USA vs England match is just about to get started. It was kind of crappy on my camera, but it looks pretty good on my TV. I'm probably going to say England wins 2-0, 2-1, around about that. But there's been loads of hype, everyone's bad for Hughes and everything right now. Kenny's probably supposed to be coming over round about this time. So, yeah, see you later. Well, I haven't had a vlog in a while, have I? Okay, I just heard on the BBC news in the background that a seagull got hit with a crossbow or something, and I froze the TV while the picture was still on, so it won't go. So there it is. Just like, lol, what's happening? I just got shot in the head. Yeah, so, nothing, no, I don't see anything wrong with that. Okay, I'll just fly off. Okay. Finally finished Soul Reacher. Pretty cool. It's awesome.